The wow. In my language means welcome, means there is more than enough space for you here, means there are safer spaces for your identities, means inclusion is just one piece of this larger puzzle. In 3 syllabics, the wow. In this land-based and participatory workshop, you will dress for the weather, and whether or not you are ready, the workshop is to let yourself play. Bound and walk across this ecosystem, fall and hit the crunchy grasses, get dusty. Learn that these grasses prickle, that when you hit the ground, you will find that you are belonging to this prairie just as much as they are. Learn that your body balances within these airs. Learn that the sun activates your cells once you touch them and lets you awaken. If you let it, it's a hug. In this workshop, you will get what you give. You pay what you can. You get more than you give, and in the end, you can take this home. Let the sediment become a part of you. Let the Mother Earth catch you, uphold you, and scold you, teach you all at once, and in the end, we say thank you in the best way that we can, in these good ways. And always remember, this workshop is forever, so always be open.